Applying tried and true wood finishes. In addition to tried and true, you will need the following materials: a lint-free cloth, 4O grade steel wool, a bucket filled with water. Step 1. Prepare the surface. Sand all mill marks and defects in the wood before applying any finish. Once the surface is sanded, use 4O grade steel wool to burnish the surface until the wood feels smooth to the touch. The smoother the surface, the better the finish will ultimately look. Step 2. Applying the finish. Using a lint-free cloth, take a small dab of the finish and apply smooth, even strokes with the grain of the wood. Work from the center of the wood out towards the ends. Make sure to use thin coats and do not over-apply. Step 3. Let the finish penetrate into the wood. Allow the finish to sit and soak into the wood for the directed amount of time. Step 4. Buff off excess finish. Take a clean, lint-free cloth and briskly rub the entire surface until all excess finish is rubbed off. Tried and true is 100% solids, so what's applied to the surface will stay on the surface. Step 5. Let finish cure. Allow the finish to cure on the wood for the directed amount of time. Step 6. Burnish surface. Before the next coat is applied, take 4O steel wool and completely burnish the surface. Do not skip this step. Burnishing will help to dry and harden the finish, as well as ensuring an even sheen. Step 7. Apply the next coat. Repeat steps 2 through 6 for each additional coat. We typically recommend 2 to 3 coats for maximum protection. Safe disposal. Linseed oil naturally oxidizes as it dries and gives off heat. To avoid any danger of spontaneous combustion, place a trash bag in a plastic bucket and fill it partially with water. Soak and saturate all used materials in water and throw away the entire bag once finished. Water will neutralize the reaction and prevent any danger of combustion. For more information, please visit our website at triedandtruewoodfinish.com.